morning, students. In last period, we have seen SN2 reaction mechanism. Now today we are learning SN1 reaction mechanism. That is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. The nucleophilic substitution reaction in which rate of reaction depends upon only one substrate is called unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. The alkaline hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide is best example of SN1 reaction. When tertiary butyl bromide is boiled with aqueous potassium hydroxide, then tertiary butyl alcohol is obtained. In ionic form, this OH negative is nucleophile with lone pair of electrons. Now kinetic expression here, rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of tertiary butyl bromide. Only tertiary butyl bromide. So it is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here rate of reaction depends upon only one substrate. So order of reaction is 1. Here if we remove alpha sign, the equivalent K is written, where K is rate constant. Now mechanism of this SN1 reaction. The first step is formation of transition state. Attack of nucleophile. This attack of nucleophile on tertiary butyl bromide takes place from back side as well as front side, because here the rate of reaction depends upon only one substrate. In SN2 reaction mechanism, there was rate of reaction depends upon substrate and nucleophile. So this nucleophile can attack from back side as well as front side. Before that, here in first step, formation of tertiary butyl carbonium ion takes place. Attack directly does not take place. Before attack of nucleophile, here formation of carbonium ion takes place. When this tertiary butyl bromide undergoes hydrolysis in presence of catalyst like peroxide, which is slow reaction, here formation of transition state 1 takes place. Here the bond between carbon and bromine is loose bond, with carbon carries partial positive charge and bromine carries partial negative charge. So here in transition state 1, breaking of this bond takes place. Then formation of tertiary butyl carbonium ion takes place. And when this tertiary butyl carbonium ion is formed, then in second step, this OH negative ion, which is nucleophile, attack on that carbon atom of tertiary butyl carbonium ion, and then transition state 2 is formed. This reaction is very fast. This attack of nucleophile on tertiary butyl carbonium ion takes place. Here again there is loose bond between carbon and OH negative ion. Here carbon carries partial positive charge and OH carries partial negative charge. The bond between carbon and OH, the stabilities are formed, and bond between carbon and Br breaks. In transition state 2, C, OH and OH negative ion attack to the carbon atom. This OH negative ion attack on carbon atom of tertiary butyl carbonium ion from back side as well as front side. Because there is no repulsion, between carbon and OS in uh, SN2 reaction mechanism. This OS can attack from back side as well as front side. So the bond between carbon and OS negative breaks, resulting into formation of tertiary butyl alcohol with retention and inversion of configuration. During this step, transition state 2 is formed. So here we get 50% retention product and 50% inversion product. And last step is energy profile diagram. Energy profile diagram is the graph between rate of reaction and potential energy. Here two transition states are shown. This first transition state is like this. This energy of activation is greater than uh, in transition state 1, and energy of activation is little smaller than first is given, which is